Number 17. The diagram shows the outside of a human heart. Which structure is a coronary artery? This is a quick and easy question. Answer should be D. So, when we look at the diagram, the left side is actually the right side of the heart, and the right side is actually the left side of the heart. So, this big artery is on the right side, so that means it's going to send out the blood to the lungs. And C is, of course, sending out the blood to the body. So B is pulmonary artery. C is aorta. And A is sending the blood into the heart from the right side, so it's called vena cava. Vena cava. So D is the answer because the coronary arteries are the blood vessels that provides oxygen and nutrients to the heart. So D is the answer for this question.